Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for a July reset. So first things first, I'm starting with is cleaning my thing. Now I'm gonna do a more thorough clean after this, but it just gets, after a while mildew goes on it, so I was just doing like a quick clean of it until I really have time to fully clean the whole thing, take out all the products and rinse out this and clean it properly. I need to restock my feminine wash, so I'm just opening up a new one that I purchased from Amazon. That's where I normally just get it because I got used to one brand that I like, so I just use that one. Though I didn't have not tried this the scent before. This is the lavender scent. This is the first time I'm trying the lavender scent. I forgot the other scent that I normally go for. This is what it looks like, and then it comes with a little baggie to hold it in. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna try to be very quick. I don't want to talk too much, but this is my July reset. I'm gonna have a little BTS behind the scenes. I wanted to make this reset a little bit different. Hopefully it will be more likable, I would say, because in the past my resets have been just straight up BTS and voice over. So I'm gonna try to do two different ones. Anyway, I have my planner. I have so many notebooks, it's not even funny. I actually got this as a gift last year. Well, at least that's the thing about me. When people give me gifts, 9 times out of 10 I always use them, and I like using planners. So this planner is my go-to planner for this year. So anyway, long story short, I'm just gonna quickly try to quickly breeze through my July goals. Now I haven't written them down, but I have them internally in my head, and some of these stuff the goals that I mentioned, I might just give you guys BTS of them. So I'm just gonna write it in my July thing. I already started writing vacation because I have a whole week of vacation. When I say vacation, I'm going to another state, but my vacation officially starts after the 27th. That's the best thing about working in a school, honestly. I just people think we don't need a break, but we really do. It's a lot, once the school year is over, sometimes by the end you're just I just need a break. And this is the best benefit I would say about my job, is that we get summer break off. Not to mention we also get breaks within the school year too. So, but anyway, let's get into it. So I'm gonna write them down as I tell you. So first July goal that I had them written down somewhere else, I think, but I don't know what I did with it. I think it was written down for what I was gonna do for my reset. But anyway, oh no, it was my goals. Wow, I have them written down already, guys. I know. You see, sometimes you don't think. All right, so let me quickly get to it. So 3 to 4 days a week of the gym. Okay, so let me be honest. Last month I did semi-okay. By the time this is posted, it's still June. It's actually currently June 25th, right? Yes, 25th. So I did okay, I will say, with this month. This past week, which was the week of the 19th, I did go to the gym 3 days, so I did accomplish that. And then the weeks before that, there was one full week I didn't go at all, and then the other week I think I went once. I'm gonna say once or twice. Or I didn't go at all, I don't remember. It was just a lot, and I just didn't go. But I'm trying to get out of that mindset, unless it's my period, that's different. Because when I'm on menstrual cycle, I just don't feel comfortable, and I'm just in too much, it's already enough that I can't do with the exercising. I may try to do some light exercise at home during my period, but the goal is, if I don't got my period, I'm in the gym. Especially during July, there's no excuse because I'm off, unless I have an appointment or something like that, then that's different. but because I'm off, I'm on break, there's no excuse. And the best thing I think too is that I'm able to go whenever I want. And generally I like to work out in the mornings. When I'm at work, I don't have that luxury because I'm at work, so I have to work out like after work, and by that time it's like almost 5 o'clock, which is not fun, I'm being honest. But if you want to be consistent, you're gonna go. Like today I went to the gym Sunday, but I went. So but I'm trying to just keep the momentum. So tomorrow after work I am gonna go. I don't know, sometimes I just don't want to go after work, but I'm trying to keep the momentum, because what I don't want to do is, I went today on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, because those are the last 2 days of work. I don't go, and then I'm like, by Wednesday I'm like, I don't want to go. So I rather do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and if anything, like Thursday, if I don't go, but I might go Thursday too. Friday now, I might not go because I have an appointment. But at least I know I did like a straight 5 days, if that makes sense. From Sunday to Thursday, that's straight 5 days, and that's good for me. Anyway, so again, let's move this along. I might insert a clip of the gym, by the way. Self-care, but yeah, like I said, that's self-care. I feel like that goes in the umbrella. So sleeping, my face, I feel like I'm here and there, like I take care of my face. I want to do more of masks. I think that's something that I really like, kind of like put on the back burner, especially when I'm at work, because it's just like, it just seemed too much. I'm just tired most of the time, and I just take a shower and then do my basic skincare. But I want to like incorporate masks more, because I feel like sometimes my face needs it and I don't put it. And especially sometimes I feel like when I go to the gym, if I don't wash my face right away too, that's also adding to like the breakout sometimes. So I'm trying to like be consistent with my skincare as well. Next thing is solo dates. I definitely want to do a couple of more solo dates. Aside from like vacationing with my family and stuff like that, because I will be going on vacation in July too. But yeah, I want to do more solo dates. I did a few this year. I have vlogs, I think, of all of them, so I'll link them. I'm not gonna go through all of it. Like I said, time is ticking, and I actually have one more thing I want to do. Dates. I don't know where I would want to go though. That's the problem. If I do a solo date, I feel like I have to have like an idea of what I want to do before I go on a solo date. You know what I mean? Like one solo date I did was like going to Color Me Mine. I was like, what is this place called? Color Me Mine. And then one day I did like a facial. I took myself for a facial by myself. It was nice. So it has to be something, you know, that of substance that I'm gonna do. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let's put more New York pop-ups. Most likely some of these I might do by myself. Some of them I might do with my sister. Depending on, because sometimes, at least in New York City, I don't know about other states, but oftentimes we have a lot of pop-ups, and a lot of the pop-ups that have been happening that were good, I was always at work. There was only one that I was off on summer break, on like a break, so I was able to go. And I hate that, because it's like, if you work, they pretty much make it that if you work like a full-time job, it's much harder for you to go to pop-ups than as opposed to somebody who's like a full-time influencer. Something I have is finish one book. I have yet to finish a book, because I feel like sometimes too, when I will come back home, there were times where I would read the book, and then there's times where I should have just don't want to read the book. So my goal is to finish the book. Something too I want to do is bring my, like, if I don't read it here, also bring it on my travels, because I think I did that my last travel, and I got a few pages in, not a lot of pages, but so now I'm gonna try to dedicate time, because I'm home, like dedicating, even if it's an hour, because I'm close to finishing like this one book. I'll show you guys really quick what the book is. I'm currently reading, or haven't finished reading I should say, is Body and Soul Food. I believe I got this I want to say I got it earlier this year. I honestly don't remember when I purchased this, but it's pretty much a mystery book. I went to this mystery shop book place because my sister had like an assignment for school or something, and then I ended up going with her. But I didn't plan to buy a book, but I do like, I've always been to mystery books since I was a child, so I really like this. So I'm almost, like, I'm right here, and then this is what I have left, so I'm almost done. I feel like I could have finished this book way faster, but it's just dedicating the time and to actually reading the book. That's really what it is, because I used to read a lot when I was younger. So that's the last thing. Forgot my Bible, reading my Bible. That's something I still want to stay consistent. I feel like I keep on going flop, like I'll skip days or whatever, but I want to go back to the consistent every day. And like, especially like, again, with me being on summer, like I have no excuse. I can do it early in the morning, whether it's this is like a couple of days after, but so far right now, okay, long story short, today's my last day of vacation. my last day of work. I'm officially on some break. Whoop whoop, we're excited. But anyway, so right now, this is just some other items that I wanted to tackle. I do also want, aside from what I'm going to show you right now, I also do want to do film a Temu video. I'm being over ambitious. And the only reason why I want to do the Temu haul or film it today is because I got some new headphones that I want to use specifically for the gym. Because I hate with my AirPods, I always feel like they're falling out my ear and it's very annoying. Especially when I'm on certain machines. So I feel like with the overhead, I got some over-the-head headphones with that. It will be easy. But really quickly so you guys can see, as you guys see, July reset. So it is to organize all my clothes in baggies. So you guys can't really see, but I guess I can lift up one. They're kind of heavy. Here's just one bag. I have a bunch of summer clothes that I have like absolutely no more space for. So I bought this from BJ's on Sunday, but I was waiting for me to be off to really like fully do this. So yeah, it's just like a storage duffel. I'll link it down below, by CleverMade. And then you pretty much, it's just an oversized zippered storage bag, so you can store stuff. Oh, I didn't even know it has a little pocket thing, so you can label it like what it is in the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. That's the main thing I wanted to get done, because I'm tired of seeing those clothes on the floor. Also, a lot of this clothes too is like things that I purchased for like vacation, but some of the stuff are things I've worn already a few times too. So, and then the next thing I have is organize other miscellaneous items. So I won't show you my bed, but I have a lot of like a few things that just have been misplaced. I feel like when I'm ripping and running, I just put things down and then I walk away. So I'm trying to be better at organizing stuff, and I feel like I can be a little bit more better with keeping things cleaner when I'm not so much in a rush, if that makes sense. And it's because it's like summertime, I feel like I have more time to like keep things neater, if that makes sense. And then the last thing is just write out my July calendar. It's still in June because we're still in June anyway, but I might just erase it. If that doesn't get done today, I might film that tomorrow. But also, I wanted to get the Temu video out. I'm gonna push for tomorrow, but I'm not gonna try to kill myself. I think I'm gonna edit it tomorrow and it's gonna drop on Thursday. I'm not gonna kill myself and try to like do too much at once. So now this is, I believe, the same day, and I am just cleaning the things like I told you. The bag was actually very big, bigger than I thought it was, and it was worth it. I thought I was gonna need to use 2 bags, but all the clothes that I had in those 3 bags fit in this, so that was perfect. But anyway, I'll let you guys watch that part, and then I'll come back for the next part of this video. So first and foremost, this portion of the video is sponsored by Amazon Music. Now, I love Amazon Music personally. That's what I use because I can do different playlists. So now they're currently having a promotion for the Amazon Music Unlimited plus MGM. So you get that together with the Prime Video for 99 cents a month. This is only for 3 months, and it's only eligible for Prime members only and new subscribers only. So if you're ready to have Amazon Music, unfortunately, you cannot subscribe. But if you don't, you can use it. So if you're interested in that, I will leave the little thing here as well. And I have a coupon link that I'll leave down below if you're interested in it. So you can play 100 million songs, and you can also have a large catalog of ad-free top podcasts. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link and down below if you are new to Amazon Music. And if you guys, like I said, Prime Day is coming up, and that is why they're opening up this promotion. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and erasing my erasable calendar so I can set up for July's calendar. Now I did go back and add some new things, but because things kind of got switched around, but anyway, and I redid this July. I promise I have better handwriting, but I was trying to do this standing up, so that's why it's all messy. By the way, I got this from Dollar Tree. I believe Dollar Tree is still selling them. I saw it the other day, so they're still selling these. They come in different. This is not the only design. It comes in like different designs as well. So if you are interested, I feel like it's good. You don't have to waste on getting, you know, the physical flippable calendars. You could just write it. If you're not a person who likes to write like every day and write the numbers, then maybe you won't like it. But I generally like to write things down, so. Lastly, I'm just opening up my planner. I already told you guys what my July glows are, but I do have some content. I actually have a lot of content that I need to do for this month. So some I may change depending on how I'm feeling. But I wanted to write those down, write down important dates that are coming up so that I can remember like what needs to be done. Normally I have really good memory, but I just like to have a planner and write down what needs to be done just so I can remember. Sometimes, especially if I'm getting like products, for example, to review. Like I get a lot of products from Influencer. If you haven't heard me talk about that, I have a whole video on that. But they give free products so you can review them in exchange for your honest opinion. I'm always honest. Like if I don't like something, I'll tell you. So that's why I like it. But sometimes the products come in fast. Like I know I have 2 boxes coming. One of them I kind of wish I did say I agreed to it because it's like skincare, and I feel like sometimes skincare is hit or miss depending on what it is. There was one skincare brand that worked so well that when I try to divert from it, it messed up. It wasn't happening. So that one for sure. But I had tried another product from them before that, so from the same line, so it made sense. So that's like always my fear, like if it's gonna break out my skin. But anyway, this video is gonna end soon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you thought about this reset, and if you guys would like another one for the next month, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.